Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in Binance's Launchpool projects. Let's join the NFP Launchpool and collect some rewards. Binance's 41st Launchpool project, NFP's staking pool, began on December 20th. On the same day, I introduced the project with a short video. There are just a few days left until the farm ends. In this video, I'll provide details about NFP and future Launchpool projects. NFP is a project that combines artificial intelligence and NFT. Using your imagination and artificial intelligence, you will be able to produce NFTs. It looks like a really interesting project. This project was selected as the Launchpool project by Binance. Binance offers users different pools in Launchpool projects. In these pools, farming takes place for approximately 1 week, and when farming ends, tokens are distributed to users. For example, in the NFP launch pool, there are 3 different pools. 80% of NFP tokens will be distributed among those staking BNB. The shares of the TUSD and FDUSD pools make up the remaining 20%. You can calculate which one is more profitable for yourself. Let's look at the details in the TUSD pool. There are 11 million NFP tokens in the TUSD pool. If I divide this amount by the total staked amount, I'll find out how many NFP tokens I'll get per $1 staked. We can do the same calculation for FDUSD and BNB. You can choose the pool in which the number of NFP tokens is higher. However, remember that the staking amount could increase until the end of the farm. After selecting any pool, you can easily join. I'll join the BNB pool since I currently have BNB in my account. After entering the BNB pool, I'll click on the stake button and participate in the farm. Once I've participated, I can withdraw my funds anytime using the redeem button. You can see the accumulated rewards once you participate in the farm. By using the claim option, you can withdraw the rewards to your own wallet. Remember, you won't be buying anything. You'll simply be farming by locking your assets, and the tokens produced in the farm will go into your wallet. NFP will be available for trading on December 27th. You can find detailed information about the project on Binance's announcement page. That's it for now. I'll continue sharing pre-sales and events with you. Good luck to everyone. See you in my next video.